What's poppin'? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I just want to show you guys I have now officially became a partner of YouTube Partners Program. As you guys can see right there, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your channel and contact support as of June 21st, 2023. I'm making this video because I had got an update last night about me being monetized, or about me meeting the threshold for YouTube. And I wanted to make this video because I came across another video, which I'm actually going to tag her in the description. Her video actually helped me get my channel monetized within a day. You know, after I was reviewed, I did a few things, and I'm gonna show you guys actually what I did that actually helped me get monetized within a day. Because once you go there, they'll tell you that you have up to a month to be monetized. And I just wanted to show you guys this because it's actually possible. So if you guys have any questions, or you guys wondering like, okay, YouTube has gave me the go for monetizing my channel, but I'm still waiting for a reply to be monetized, this is a video that can help you with that. And I wanted to make this for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did. I have it all set up for you guys to show you guys exactly what I did. As you guys can see, it's in the last 365 days for a reason, due to what I'm about to explain to you guys. So what you actually can do is send YouTube support team a feedback. So what you'll do is down here where you see send feedback, you'll click send feedback. Okay, here we go. Okay, so right here you have this tab, you click share. And what you'll do is click over here for highlight or hide info. And what you can do right here is simply click highlight. And the first thing you will want to highlight is your subscribers once you have 1,000 subscribers, okay? That'll be one of the first things you want to do, is highlight that. And then you'll go over here to views, and you will highlight views after that. And then from there, if you want to block anything out, you can block out this entire thing, but I wouldn't do that, just for the simple fact is YouTube support team want to see this, okay? So don't block anything out because it's YouTube and they can see it anyways, okay? The next thing that you'll highlight, if you want to, which I did, I'm showing you guys exactly what I did. I highlight my name, and then I also, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, I did the watch time too as well. You know, and they can pretty much see everything else. And then I click done, boom. And then right here, I just simply sent them a message saying, you know, to whom's concerned, I am writing in reference, excuse my spelling, ... And that can be exactly for, you know, the day that you hit your threshold, you know, your channel has been monetized. Once you do that, you can go ahead and erase that. I'm not going to submit it because I already did it. But yeah, like I said, you guys can go ahead and do that. I just wanted to show you guys this. Like I said, I just got monetized. This is an estimate right now. This is in the last 365 days. Like I said, my channel just got monetized, so I haven't really seen anything, but I wanted to show you guys this. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And that is my update video for you guys on my channel being monetized within a day.